Now, creating logos is more or less being creative. Now, I'm going to show you how to create what you're seeing on your screen right now. Um, it's it's very simple. This, you can see, is just a matter of using text, but the method in which I'm going to use is going to, is going to look a little bit different. I might not type the font straight ahead, but I'm going to be making use of the extrude tool. We'll also be making use of the uh, perspective then also we'll be making use of the rectangle tool or square tool. Then we'll also make use of our uh, let's say the shape tool to shape it. Now here it goes. I'm going to click on this, yes, a box, and draw a square shape by click and hold down my control key. So I have these. Then I'm going to go to effect, then select perspective. Under the perspective, I'm going to click and raise it up this way. You know, I'm trying to create a perspective corner for it and bring it down this way a little and go up again and create something of this nature. And okay, I have this down created, but I'm not satisfied with it. I just need to still adjust it a little and also bring this closer a little. Okay, I guess I'm a little bit okay with this. Now, I'm going to select my extrude tool and click on the interactive tools and select the extrude tool. Then come out and click on the object and drag out this way. Drag it out. See, I get what, oops, I think I've lost my page. I get what I want. Let me see if I've gotten what I actually am looking for. Okay, I've seen what I want. Then I select my pick tool, and I have this already set for me. Now, I'm not going to break anything apart, but what I want to do is, remember we are using a three-letter word, and we have this, let's say I'm using area black. Let's make use of area black to do this, and I click and I type BM, okay, supposed to be BMB, BMM, sorry. Then I drag to the top, and I have this text ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is select and change it to area black. Let's make use of area black. Now, I'm going to break this text apart so that I can, fit it into the shape we have already. You know, remember we drew the perspective down before we started. Now, I'm going to press Ctrl K, Ctrl K, Ctrl K, K. Then I'm going to select and pull this out and raise it up and drop it at the top of this place. Then what else do I need to do? All I have to do is select my, go to effect and select my perspective, and make the B to be like the shape we are looking at. Make the B to look like the shape we are looking at. You can see what I am doing. Make the B to look like the shape we are looking at. So I have this set already. You can see that's the B, that's the B, and then I pick on the M, select the M, take the M to this point, and I click, okay, sorry, go to effect and select perspective and click and drag down to this point, drag this also to this point, and push this a little to this end and adjust this a little to this end. So I have this set now. Then I select this M and take it up and effect perspective and do the same again. Drop this to this point, drop this also to this point, and take this again to this edge and say the same here. Uh, that's all. So with this, I'm able to create the perspective of what I want. So I can choose to add a different color again to what I have here. Should I use blue? Okay. Or should I use uh, red? Red. All right. So now I have this. I can as well choose to use white for the top. White for the top. Then my shape, my what do you call it? The extrude tool. Um, can drag that out and decide to merge it. Can decide to Control K can actually break it apart, break extrude tool apart. Then I can decide to weld all together to form one object. Fill it with black. I'm waiting for it to come up. Fill it with black. All right. Then take it back to where I took it from, so that I can have what I was looking for. So this is it. That's how I create a simple short logo, and that is going to be universally okay. So thank you for watching.